Hello guys, it's another wonderful day. My name is Takeaway. You call me Baba for the girls. You already know how we do it. Yeah, so guys, we're going to be talking about one or two things here. Last week, if you guys remember clearly, we made a post regarding different kind of infection, the HPV, the herpes, the UTI, and the rest of them like that equally. And we said those with the highest engagement are the one that we're going to be talking about. We are not neglecting the rest. No, we are not. But for now, let us talk about the UTI. We're going to be shedding more light on this UTI. We're going to be talking deeply on this UTI for you guys to get informed what they call UTI, what are the symptoms, what are the causes of UTI, how do you know you have UTI, what are the way out, the solutions to UTI. You understand? So guys, follow us as we show you things about UTI. So UTI, at the end of the day, we want you guys to know about UTI, urinary tract infection. We want you guys to know about the symptoms of UTI, the causes, and also the solutions. So, as we go on, first and foremost, UTI. UTI, you guys know this is an infection in the part of the body. I want you guys to understand something. This UTI of the thing occurs majorly in women. I am not saying men do not have it. But women, you know, you guys are the ones that quickly attract every form of infection, diseases, and also. So most times I do tell women to take good care of yourself. I'm not saying men, you should not take good care of yourself, but women, you guys should take good care of yourself the more. You understand? And this UTI, it's something that involves the urine, the bladder, the kidney. It's always been affected. Now, the symptoms of UTI, as you can see, there's always a burning sensation to pee. Yeah, there's always a burning sensation. You just want to pee frequently. You just want to visit the restroom all the time. You understand? Sometimes you even get really tired. You just get tired. You just get weak. You just want to take a nap. You just want to feel like, let me just sleep. You know, all these and many more are symptoms of UTI. Sometimes you feel pain, you feel pressure, you understand? This pain we're talking about, you know, the down part of your abdomen, you know what I'm talking about. You feel pain there. So all these things are things that these are the symptoms, these are things that brings about the cause of UTI. Now, looking at the causes, you see, when you have, when you quench, I don't want to mention the name. So when you quench, you know, there are forms of bacteria. Let me even keep you guys informed about something. You guys, you see this sperm that is being released frequently into people's body. I want you guys to understand that these things are things that causes a lot of infection. You don't just take from different people from A, B, C, everybody just they put them inside you. Jackpa. You need to run for yourself. You need to run for your life. You need to make sure that you're fine. They're looking at this bacteria of the thing. You see this bacteria, it has that stuff in the body, and you need to understand that you really need to take good care of yourself. Most women, like I already told you, they are the ones that have this thing more than men because of their gene. You understand? Their hormone. Women with higher diabetes, those that are having diabetes, you know, the sugar level is high, the blood pressure is high, the blood level is high. You guys also, it weakens the immune system. Your hormones are not that strong. You understand? These things, they also lead to this urinary tract infection like we talk about. You understand? Now we're telling you guys the solution. I know you all have been waiting for this part. You all want to know the way out, the solution. Yes, these are the solutions to this thing. These are things that you can easily find your way out of it if you observe all these things. Number one of it, you see, you ensure to urinate immediately after making out. I want you guys to understand something. I want to talk about that particular one. People will tell you, go and don't urinate. If you urinate, blah, 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 it doesn't stop anything. Babe, urinate. Make them come meet me, ask me why. Urinate. They will tell you, this one, it doesn't cause that one. I am telling you that you should urinate. It is not that it is stopping it permanently, but at least it is reducing it. People tell you to use protection. When you use CD doesn't guarantee you like 100%, but at least you know now 90 to 95% you are covered. Now ensure that you make your bladder empty. How do you even go at night? Like you sleep on your bed at night without emptying your bladder. And you know some people, when they sleep at night, it is always difficult for them to wake up in the middle of the night. They will just keep struggling. It has happened to me several times. I'm sure it has happened to many of you. Now you guys don't just know about this fruit, berries, and ginger everything. A lot of people say, because of the smell, because of this, you avoid it. Men, always include this thing in your food, your tea, your food. You can always include it. Take a lot of water. When you drink water so many times, you pee out what fucking thing that is inside there. Whatever it is that is inside there, you pee it out. You understand? Now, avoid wearing tight clothes. Ladies, these are for you. I know now everybody want to look sharp, everybody want to look like, you want all the backside, everything showing, the hips coming out, you want the bobby now, make everything they flow, make everything they do mele mele mele. I understand that, but please, when you're doing this, you should always do the things that are necessary. When all the tight clothes are always on you, this is reducing air ventilation going down there. And when the ventilation is not there, you know what's going to cause. It's going to be smelling, and at the end of the day, one way or the other, you're giving yourself all this UTI and even other infection. They're talking about antibiotics. Yes, I want to dwell more on these antibiotics. These antibiotics of a thing, a lot of people have abused it. We will tell you use antibiotics, but I've seen someone that mentioned, even in my life, I did a live video a couple of months ago. Someone said it's infection free. Why? Because it takes antibiotics every day. How can you be taking antibiotics every day? No, tell me. I don't know the person that prescribed that to him. I don't know who told him that. How can you be taking antibiotics every day? Man, it is wrong. You can't be taking antibiotics at all time. There should be a regular amount. Most of the time, even I would advise you to go to the hospital, make a check, run a test. They will tell you what to take. They will tell you what to do. You will be diagnosed properly. And if you want more information, you already know. Another Wellness, we got you covered. Ask us anything. Visit our page. Come to our profile. DM us. Papa for the girls is there to answer you. Amazon Princess is there to answer you. There is nothing. Tag us to anything you see anywhere in any angle online. We will help you out. We are the solution provider. The best of the best. The number one, no cap. Our reviews, our testimonies. It gives us, we know the high, we know the run. It's sure for us. Thank you guys. I hope you guys have been able to learn one or two things here. I love you guys, and you guys are going to be hearing more from us from this and from other topics. Ciao.